Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying social media is just social media. Social media is for content and content alone. He's saying basically, this is not supposed to stem into the real life activities of people, which means he's saying that when you're on social media and you're doing content, you don't go and you don't knock on the people's door that you're talking about. You don't go to their houses and harass them, or you don't go around in real life and in a physical sense to harass them. Now, he's saying that, he is doing what he is doing, and basically, people are finding faults and stuff with them. But, guys, you would have to go ahead and catch the video to hear what Dwayne has to say about what is going on in social media. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Please, guys, hit that notification bell. So when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their birthdays today, yes, it's your wonderful birthday. I wish you joy, peace, happiness, love, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there, my supporters, my followers, my subscribers, and those who just come to listen. Yes, I thank you. And I just want to say to you, have a wonderful, peaceful, and happy day. Keep that beautiful smile up on your face. And if you can make someone else smile, that's a bonus. Now have yourself a wonderful day.
You know the funny thing? I put up my post and 3/4 on the live right now. On the would even come on the post and say, Lord God doing me never know or something. You couldn't even say nothing. For show you how wicked and hateful the phone is, and on a love hold grudges on people you don't know. You know the fun thing? You don't know me. I don't know none of you. Not what. The only person on this live can boast and say I know them. On my page can say I know them and I've met them in real life is Donna and Tashi. Nobody else. Nobody else. Even Sharon Ricketts, me forgot meet her and she got shy. She backed out. None. I don't know you people. Only too extra sometime. Only feel need to just chill out and stop going to people's page and provoke them. You know, as much as me over here, I'm a chat, Dana. Do you see me going down a guy's page and provoke? My God, I provoke her? No. Do you want to see me go there comment? No. You know why? Because that is her space, a fair space that honestly make up a majesty, honest as much as I don't like majesty. Honestly make up a majesty page, no. The midget, no. Even the people who like, only one of them can say my comment and page comment every now and again, and it's curly. I not got nobody else page. Don't I tell you? I like my own company, I like my own space. I like my own company and my own space. I don't push myself on, I don't push myself on people. Me have too much shame, me have too much class. You understand? Yes, that's all they like to do. Go around and bully people and provoke. Imagine me just turn on my live, and as soon as I turn on my live starts saying reconnecting. Reconnecting for what exactly? For what? You know, see my caption, I am sorry. What is wrong? Get a grip of yourselves. On a big people, on a big grown ass adults. Never know no soon drop out. Shit, me can get me take and drop out too. So I'm not taking myself, me not take myself out of the narrative neither. But only need to chill out and relax on yourself and stop being so cantankerous. I'm always always gotta do my mix-up. I gotta do my mix-up. You know why? Because mix-up is in my DNA. Me love people business. I've always told you people, me love bagger. I am not like the ones who claim them don't like it, but secretly them like it, and secretly them doing it, but then they claim not doing it. Me, I am bold. Yo, mix up time on a pull up. You understand? There's no shame to my game. No shame at all to my game. I am not going to pretend to be someone I am not. Me not come out to come be fake with nobody, no man, no woman, no. I'm not going to be fake. I can't be fake. You know the funny thing to on a don't realize, right? I've gone through a lot of stuff in my life, and the things what Una do to me, it is mediocre compared to what I've gone through. It is mediocre. It is this small, that small. So it's not that big of a deal. So I know, only need to chill the hell out, and get a hold of yourselves. And leave people. If you don't like the people, them, I keep on telling her. I've always told you, if you don't like people, don't got them page. Because when I got the people them page, I want to see them ugly face. But by just you going to the people them page and seeing them ugly face and perhaps them brown teeth or whatever, it is gonna trigger you. Why put yourself in a predicament to continuously get triggered? Why? Because you claims to love people and I don't know. No, I idiot. On a fool. Go and love your families. Go love your mothers. Go love your father. Go love your children. Your grandparents and them too. Una idiot. The one needs to understand, Una cannot conquer me. The only entity can conquer me is a good Lord, and God is not ready to say, yo, come home. If not ready for me, it's only gonna stay there. Only stay right there. You understand? I'm not afraid of he, she, nor the old lady. Me a bad, my bad to the bone from my band. Me a rebel. Me tell a long time God himself calm me down because him no say if I continued the path I was on, perhaps I would have been 6 feet under right now, or even worse, that workhorse. On an idiot. On the seat, you know. Don't get my flamboyancy misconstrued. Do not get it misconstrued. Me know what if people go and ask them go ask them on our clowns. And the funny thing about this, most of you are women. Relax. It is not that serious. It is not that detrimental. And even better, it not affect on the life the way you guys are proclaiming. Relax. Take a pill and chill. Have fun. Laugh more. You see my eye them red? You see them red? You see my eyes are red? Laugh more. Stop fighting. Fight less. Laugh more. Even if that means you're laughing at the people that mix up. That is what mix up is here for, to make people laugh. When I say fighting video, someone says, Jesus Christ. When I laugh, sometime move. Dwayne bad from right. There's a sheriff from come out to my mother cracks in my bad. Yeah, until God slow me down for a reason. Comparable to that workhorse, I even better, even worse, I'm with that dead long time. I was 6 ratting like dog girl. Yeah, I'm telling the truth too. It's not my time yet. You understand? Leave me alone. If you don't like me, don't come. I'm not forcing no one to come. Not one of you can say, yo, me tie us to come over you. Never. Me don't tie nobody. I would never tie none of you either. You understand? You come here if you want to come here on your own. And whenever you choose to leave, you have the freedom to leave when you want to leave too. Me not shackled. No man or woman is being shackled over here and say, yo, you have to come. No, I don't behave like that. I don't behave like that. I'm telling a long time. You can go wherever you want to go. Even my own people, I'm say, yo, anyone no one going to go and one going to don't he, she, know the all the tells in the camera. So who are we? Am I paying a phone bill? Am I paying your phone bills? No. So why should I want to control people? Move with that. Slavery day is done. Slavery day has been done long time. Slavery day has been done from 1963 or even before that. Listen, that slavery mentality, it don't live in my headspace. It live in another phone headspace, not mine. Because when me was born, I born a free black man. So no man or woman is ratted. No. Sorry. No man or woman is gonna control me. No, what control I get? Not even my own mother who gave birth to me. Not that my own mother who pushed me to her crutches can't say, yo, you crazy? I'm a free black man. I have the liberty to do whatever it is I want to do with my life. All of my tongue want to say, I'm my life. I have one life to live. I'm gonna live it how it as I'm gonna live it for please me and myself, and I only understand. Margaret, what's up? Denise, only need to chill out. Stop, listen, stop got people page on don't like. I'm telling this from long times. Don't come here if you don't like me. Coming out, come on the people them page. Only will never, hear me well, only will never catch me in any of your people's comments. Never. My God, if I want like a mix up, I hear something I go on, I'm pull up. But apart from that, what reason do I have to go there? None of what me I go there for? How is me going there, go look at them, gonna benefit my life? How is it gonna benefit me? Is it gonna benefit me? No. How is it gonna how is it gonna benefit you? Even better, how is it gonna benefit you? Oh no, crazy. Enough on mad people, on mad. I'm telling you, enough of you people on here on are mad people. On don't even realize on is functioning mad people. You understand? I am good out here, and I'm not gonna make no mad me out. My mad already, and if my continue on the path what want to bring me, I'm gonna be madder. And no, I have to live my life for me. Understand? So I can stay right where he is on a crazy, on a sick, on a head gone clean. I'm telling you, you're mad people. Sure, I'm saying mad people, them girl, they're mad. You know, so we're going to look while. I just turn on my live. I'm going to set my caption say, I am sorry. I'm sorry. What? You know, that thing want to come report my live. Them say them mad people. Them head sick. Them head chip out. How the phone gone? Them head gone. I'm mad people. Them I swear upon the God, I'm mad people. Them, and I'm not mad. And because I'm not mad, I can't make get me to that level with me like, you know? No, move. Move for yes, I'm gone. I never send for none of you. If you don't like me, don't come. And it's the simplest 1, 2, 3. If you don't like me, don't come. My rest of my girls, and please like up my video and share my video too. Share it out. Understand? Help me to make people come away where like me for me, and not because them follow me for them. I that I want to come out for myself. I'm myself only. Why should they have followers who support them wholeheartedly, and the rest of us don't have to followers who support us wholeheartedly? Move for some more. I'm own people them to more own people them, and not people's gonna come here because of them. No, one of myself. Yeah, if they can do it, I can do it too, and perhaps even do it better. Because bear in mind, I speak way better. I speak way better than all of them. And I ask me to tell the truth. Yes, I do speak like a Jamaican here, there, wherever. But trust me, I speak better than all of them. I mean, I ask me, I tell her that. Factual too, factual. They have nothing on me. The most of them have for me, oh, it's followers. Some of them have more followers. I mean, yeah, I'll give them that. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. When I realize, come on, them want to provoke me so I can come cuss and go and say, move for yourself with that, man, move. On life too sad. Like I'm into open my mouth and I say on shit in my mouth, I piss in my mouth. If I don't shit in my mouth, I don't swallow, I don't eat, I don't piss in my mouth, I don't drink. Move. I'm not your people. I'm not your people. I am Dwayne Fletcher. I'm telling a long time. My mother. Big up my damn mother. Big up my mother. Now for you have never, your parents have never spent £14,000. Not even $14,000 on a car move. Yeah, they might spend £1 on a lifetime, but if they take up 14,000 and got show say, yo, pick a car, and on the parents have never done it for no go away from yourself. I will never suffer. Me can't suffer. Understand? This a boy I can't suffer. Think I joke? Long as my mother is here with me, I'm an extended family. Can't suffer. Oh, I eat that. The people want to cheer for. Tell them to go buy them children cars. Take up 20,000 now and 15,000. Go buy them pick the car. Make us what them can do. Do shows the power that them for do. So coming out to come bragging like say, you understand? I have no time for enemy. Stop provoking me. Stop provoking me, understand? I'm not here for it. Enough for you, toxic people, not too damn toxic. Then again, I love the toxic. I love the toxic. I love it too. I love it too. So watch him. Me have people who care for me. Watch my friend. My friend I share my live stream. I have a friend who cares for me. You understand? I got a lot of friends who care for me. Big up to all of my damn friends. When I need good people in our life, when I need some good people in our life who will have good impact on life. Stop on a lucky. On a lucky on a crosses. Listen, none of you can't tell me nothing about myself when I'm woman already. Tell me things I don't know. And don't come to my life and provoke me. Leave me be. I'm not forcing none of you to stay here. None of you. You understand? Relax and respect yourselves. Respect yourselves. And stop going around social media causing havoc in people's names and dragging for people who are fat pound. Who are idiot. Who can't chat to me no day. No found. And listen, this is no insult to nobody. Now, found I've never had a damn good job in my life. I'd be a trash job and I have. When I can't chat to me, I'm educated. I've had amazing jobs in my life, time thus far till now. I had to pack it up when I can't chat to me. Big up my damn mother, big up my parents. Kind of instill good values and principles in us. Who's any of you? Back up and leave me alone. What you should do, go and get yourselves an education. Go and learn to construct proper sentences. Go and learn. If you're not gonna drag people, at least form good sentences where we can read and comprehend very well. So on our dunce bat, I found the dunce like dog. When they can chat to me, move, and I'm not cursing any of you right now. I'm talking to people who just came a show while ago to come and provoke me. Then me attack. Clowns. Dunce, idiots, buffoons. Go and get yourself some education here and leave me alone. I am educated, and even if I can't use my education now, it is still lodged up there and it won't go nowhere. Understand? Go get yourself some education. It is never too late for showering, and bear in mind, you never stop learning. Go on back at school. Go on to school and stop coming to come provoke people in other people's they want to have fat pound and trick what on that never go cross. One of them is never gonna cross paths. Move. You know, funny thing today, I was on TikTok, right? I just got dirty boy. One can bring up Danagon name to me. And you know the funny thing of the boy though? The boy remember that the damn woman telling about what time she have gone and she have to come down the side, come look for me and do me something. So okay, do your thing. Some screenshot or whatever, I'm going to put them on a couple of video. And it's got dirty boy now come and he's putting up screenshots of videos that blogs have posted about me. I'm saying to show you how much of a fool you are. You have no name. My name, Dwayne Fletcher, has power. A lot of people know who I am. A lot of them. To show you're a non-entity. No one will ever know. You're gonna die a nameless bitch. Not you people, that dog, right? And I call Danago name to me. So what you look at dirty stinking boy? What do you know about Danago? You know, to cut a long story short, I said the time you ever call Danago name, you will never reach on her level. And what me a cuss her. You say yes, I'm if a cuss her. I said, I'm going myself, and I'm telling you, I dogged about so bad. I'm shocked TikTok did not block me. I am shocked TikTok did not block me. Because I'm have to angle him. I'm angle him good too. I want to come bring up Donegal in them stinking mode. And you know the funny thing? Him gonna get screenshot from Madness page. You know the Madness page? Him gonna take a screenshot of the Madness. So watch ya to show you blogs out here are posting. Even if the people in the comments are dragging me and speaking about my trauma, that shows you I am known. You're nobody. Go and get a name. Before you can come for me, get a name. I said to him, listen, dirty boy. There's blogs out here who's using my name to make money. Show me one who's using your name to make money. I can bring up that and go name. Say, fuck you. To that the fuck. You know, it's that damn woman who said him, the woman who set him up to you. I swear to God, it's that damn dirty woman. Let me see me have a video on my phone still. Damn crosses woman. She's face sick. You wanna come for me like say, me cable, yeah, me cable, then I go, move for yourself. Say cross woman, I see her, yeah. See her cross is dirty woman. See him there. Look at one man. You can't tell in love near in front. Yeah, look at dirty carpet muncher girl. I can't chat to me. Move. Move, woman, move. Watch her.